Okay guys, you're welcome to today's class. And today we will continue from where we stopped in our previous class. In our previous class we discussed custom headers. You can see I went to my appearance and then I clicked on header footer builder. So what we are going to do today is to see how advanced options we could use in designing our custom header, and then also check out how to design a footer too. So what I'm going to do now is I've actually edited with Elementor, so I allow it to open up for me so that I can edit and work on my design. Alright, so this is it. Remember the last time I told you we could actually go and insert a structure, a tree structure, and then start arranging. But this time around I'm going to show you two easy steps we could use. First, this is the major add-on, master add-on rather. We added it as a template, as a plugin when we were installing those plugins. So I use my master add-on plugin. When it opens, you go to header. So under header, you see several categories of header which might interest you, which you may like. So based on what you want, you can make selection. So for instance, I can choose this header 15. I say insert. So once you click insert, you give it a little time, it inserts it for you into your workplace. So as you can see here, this is where I have my logo. This place is empty. This is the call information, and this is the operating hours. This one has the office address. This is empty. This one has login/register, so you can link the login/register page to this place. And then this has social media handles. So this has search. Why this is the menu. So I can start editing this now. I can just click here to edit, and then I come here and edit my address. You understand? So I can say so you can see my address here. So I can actually, if I want to come here, I can actually edit this, and then I add a link. So the link will be added here. So the link that leads to login or register can be here. These are the social media handles. You can make your social media handles available. You can delete the ones that are not necessary. So maybe I want to change this to Instagram. So I go to icon library, I search for Instagram, and this is it. I insert. So you can see it changes to Instagram. So this is where you attach the link, direct link to all these handles, and then it will link directly to the page. So this is your logo. You click here and then select, choose the logo you want to use. You can add your contact information here, as well as opening address. So why this is your menu, so you can see the layout. Now which of the menu, I'm selecting my primary menu. So once I select it, it comes up. So now this determines how you want it. Do you want it to be horizontal, vertical, or hamburger, depending on how you want it. So you can see the menu has appeared. Now this is an indicator for sub menu, depending on how you want it. If you want to indicate menu splitter too, you can actually check this. for it to display menu splitters. You understand? It can actually split the show menu splitters for you. So you can also do some other configuration. The menu logo, you can actually set this for mobile view. You can also set this to the hamburger for mobile view too. So, and some other settings you can actually do. So this is just a typical illustration of a menu I have just done. So another option too is, this is Elementor kits. This icon here is for Elementor kits. I can click on it to see other headers. I come here, I click on header. So when I click on header, I'll be given a lot of samples of header available for me to choose. So some of them are free, while some are pro. It means you have to pay for them to get it. So you can scroll down, there are free ones, like this is free. The one showing insert is free. So you can actually choose the one you want and the one that best suits you. So you can see we have limited few ones here. So let me say I want to go with this and insert. So when I insert, I just give it a little time to boot up. So I'm done. I'm actually done with this now. I've actually made the necessary editing I want. So all you need to do here now is just to edit to your taste. So I can remove this as well, and then take away this. So this is the one I just inserted now from Elementor Kits. So this is for your logo. So once you click on it, you come here, you choose your logo. So after choosing your logo, this is the location of the menu. So when you click on it, you select menu, primary menu. Now you can come here and then choose the mobile logo. The mobile logo is this is the picture. Let me show you. I'm going to change this to tablets, to mobile view. Now the mobile logo is this. When I click on this logo here is what is known as mobile logo. So what should be displaying for my visitors, my subscribers, when they use mobile phone to access my menu? Are you with me? That is what this mobile logo is talking. Mobile menu logo is all about. So these two here is what I use to view other versions of other display screen. You have the tablet, as you can, the desktop, the tablet, the mobile, the iPad, and then this one and this one, which you can actually customize. You understand? So I can use it to navigate mobile view, system view, then tablet view, and then see what I'm doing. So this is my menu. I can as well adjust depending on what I want. So I can adjust my menu. This is a search icon. So this is search. So I can actually remove this. Once to remove it, all I need to do is to right click. Go to this place, right click, and then delete. So you can see I've taken that out. So I still have one here. I'm removing it. So I'm going to convert this to my, I want to insert my header here, my social media handles here. So I want to remove this. You can see it's empty now. I come here, I search for social media. So you can see a lot of information. So I can pick social icons, drag and drop here. So once I do that, you can see the icons. I can then change add item. Let me add Instagram. So I insert. Now the icons are actually very large, so you can start customizing it now. This is the style, how you want it. I love my circle, you understand? So this is the alignment, how you want it. So I go to my style. This is the official color. Now this is the size. What determines what size it is. Are you with me? So you can see you can adjust here. So I'm going to make mine 14. You understand? So this 14 is for desktop view. Now you scroll down to tablet. This is the view on tablet. Why this is the view on mobile? Are you with me? Yeah. So you can actually return it back again to how you want it. So if you hover around these social icons, do you want to see any effect? This is what, for instance, if I want to get a shrink, you can see the after effect, the hover effect of it. So you can see once I move on it, it shrinks. So that is it. So you can also get to your advanced. This is where you make other configurations too, based on what you desire to have. So I have my motion effect, which I can actually initiate to. Okay, so I can add a general background color to all this. To do that, I can edit this section. This is the section. So when I edit and click on edit, alright, so once I click on edit section, I go to my style. You can see the style. So this is the background. So from here I can actually see it's white. So I can actually give it a color. So if I come and give this a black color now, you can see it changes. You understand? I can navigate to a red color depending on what you want. You understand? So that is it. So you can as well clear all to remove the background. This is without background. Now individually I can actually assign it to. If I click on this and then I come back to style, so under style I check on background. If I give this to be black, you can see only this is now black. So I can actually give color to just this and this depending on what I'm working on. So it's best for you. So from here now you can continue your customizing. You can customize anyhow you want it to look. You understand? So this is your header. You know the nature of site you want. You know the kind of design you want it to be like. So everything is achievable. It's all about you mapping it out, and then you start the design process. So if you find anywhere hard, so if you find anything hard about designing custom headers, feel free to get back to me for more explanation. So I would like to have a view too of further designs that you have done. So see you in our next class. So in the next class we'll be talking about the footer section, which is a little bit more broad than this. This is a little bit simpler. So hope to see you in the next class. Thank you for your time. Don't forget, whenever you finish, you publish. Once you are done with what you are doing, you will publish. So if you want to, for instance, I am working on this, and then you want to go and pick another element. Okay, like I said, for instance, my settings is like this. I want to pick another element. So to go back to the element menu, you just have to click here. You understand? It brings you back, so you can search or scroll down and then see a lot of options. Thank you so much for your time.